Tara at samahan niyo ako, itutur ko kayo and isi-share sa inyo ang ilan sa mga future developments within the vicinity of Lancaster New City, Westwind, and Minari Residences. So itong dinadaanan natin is the primary access road from the Amhari Extension or Open Canal Road. At nandito sa area na tong isa sa mga project ng federal land which is ang River Park. At nag-start na nga ang development ng SM City General Trias, one of the biggest SM here in Calabarzon. And also, Calax Subsection 1 will open in the third quarter of 2025. Once completed na po ito, this will provide a faster and more efficient route para sa ating lahat. And also, construction of Uniqlo Logistics Facility is underway. Once completed po ito, this will create numerous job opportunities just like SM General Trias and will also make a significant economic growth and development. And aside sa mga nabanggit ko, magkakaroon din ng mga universities and colleges, commercial lots, international theme park, at marami pang iba. So, can you imagine yung market value and also kung gaano nakaganda ang mga developments natin? Kaya kung interested ka mag-invest or simulan ang future home mo with us, send me a message. Let's talk. I'm Andrea Mariel Sales, your reliable property consultant.